and welcome back to the channel. A few days ago or a few weeks ago, I got the opportunity to hang around one of the most expensive vehicles on the road, guaranteed. One of the most expensive cars on the road. I don't care what you have, I don't care what country you're from, this vehicle highly sought after and super expensive. This video alone costed well over 100,000 rand. This small piece of video, well over 100,000 rand. So, most expensive vehicle, most expensive video I've ever shot. Mind you, I didn't pay the 100,000 rand plus, but still. Let's get to it. Something a little bit for the channel, something I haven't really seen before or really been in depth with, but super cool, super short. Hope you like. Please like, subscribe down below. A little short one for the Sunday, but yeah. Yeah, okay guys, this is Mozambique mission. Let's go. Oh, you need two hands, Oh yes, boy. Oh yeah. Wow. Mark today, skitting mark boys. Let's go. It's all the cameras around us. Super cool, man. Is that an auto? Both pedals are on the right side of the steering column. That's so cool. In the Mercedes-Benz, but look, boys. Gotta get up. Oh man. I'ma jump, guys. I'ma jump. Quick explanation, because I didn't know this till today, but in a petrol truck like this, sorry that it's on its pumping, there are compartments, 3-4 different compartments, and he's currently carrying petrol in the first two and diesel in the last two. I did not know this till today. And also the big fat pipes, they just use gravity to feed the petrol or diesel into the bulk tanks into the floor. Fascinating stuff. I didn't know that. Now you know. And then we have the pumps at the bottom here. The pumps pump through this pipe and through this pipe and through that pipe. They all use pumps, but when it's a small job, you can use a small pipe. You don't need the big pipes. Yeah. Can you swap it now? You change it here. Now it's busy draining the pump. And yeah, this is the 4 compartments. Petrol, diesel, open. That pulls up. It's taking from the other compartment now. There we go. Oh, yes, shit. That was just my small piece of what there was. I know it's kind of silly, but to me that was quite fascinating. I also didn't know that when a petrol truck is filled up with petrol, that there's more than one compartment, in the sense of they can separate the fuel. So the first two were diesel, the first one was petrol, and the other two was diesel, and then they can share between that. Super fascinating. I know it's kind of boring maybe, and it's not stance cars or whatever, but to me, I had a couple of minutes with it and I found it really interesting. And also it's a very highly sought after commodity at the moment when you're driving one of those. I mean, fully laden, that thing is worth well over R1 million. I would say well over, maybe 2 million almost. I don't know, but yeah, thank you for watching. If you like this kind of weirdness and randomness, please like and subscribe down below. There's no real car things that I can go to. I am busy working, so I cannot go to anything, but hopefully in the next couple of weekends I can go to stuff and hopefully see you guys there. If you are there, say what's up. Anyways, yeah, I'm out and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Bye.